to be in pain to see a naprapath? No. In fact, most times you don't even know that a condition is cooking up. You feel fine. And one of the greatest strengths of the body is that it can compensate. It's kind of like a blessing and a curse. Yes, it is a blessing that it can compensate and keep you going, but the curse in that things could be happening underneath, worsening underneath that you don't know about because your body has compensated. And if you are someone who spends greater than 90% of your working day at a desk in this posture, oh, absolutely, you need to come and see us. Absolutely. Although I treat patients, there's a component to me as a doctor, as a practitioner, where I have to get back in front of the computer and spend time, hours even, writing up medical notes. And so especially if I have a day where I have quite a few people, I am in this posture for quite some time. I have a device here on my desk that raises my laptop, so I'm able to raise my shoulders or raise my arms and also keep my head going forward versus like this and being down this way, which is going to round the shoulders, bring the head down. What other thing that we do that puts us in that same posture? Let me show you. All right, what's happening there? Head is down, shoulders are now rounding, all the musculature, the tension, we're pulling here, weakening this part of the body because we're not up and balanced. We don't have balance between the front of our body and the back, right? All of it is coming this way. That's why there's going to be so much more tension here, okay? That's just an example. I'll do another video about the cell phone and the things that we're doing on it, social media, texting, and how that's contributing. We're going to call that texter's neck.